Welcome back. Now that you have successfully set up Zipy on your mobile app and started capturing user sessions and errors, in this video, let's see how you can integrate Zipy with Firebase and the benefits of it. On your Zipy dashboard, you'll find the integrations tab in the settings on the left-hand side. And in the integrations, you'll see that there's a Firebase integration. Click that link to open up the documentation, and you'll find out the exact steps on how to integrate Zipy with Firebase. So basically, for this to work out, you have to have Zipy as well as Firebase integrated with your mobile application. So whenever there is a user interacting with your application, since you have both Zipy and Firebase running on the app, you can just call zippy.getCurrentSession URL, which will return the current URL of the user from Zipy. And you can add that as a custom parameter inside Firebase. So you can just call Firebase Crashlytics instance, set a custom key called Zippy session URL and pass on this URL. What this does is that inside your Firebase login, inside the keys tab, you can see a custom key called Zippy session URL, and it has the information related to the user's session. And when you click on this session from inside the crash in Firebase, you directly jump into the Zippy session, and any crash, any ANR that has been captured by Firebase, you'll be able to replay all the user actions before that crash or ANR happened. So you can just replay what the user did, and you can also see that there are a bunch of errors that Zipy also captured while the user was interacting with your app. At the end of the timeline, there is a crash here, and you can see that there is a detailed stack trace of the crash that we also captured. So hope this helps. Try out the Firebase Zipy integration today and let us know your feedback.